Our smartphone is everything. We can call, message, record, take photos, watch videos, listen to music, edit videos, Photoshop, create a business, manage a business, earn millions of dollars. But wait, let's see what actually happens. Yes, that's exactly what happens. Our phone has a lot of capabilities, but instead of using them, we end up spending time on social media, the tasks that don't require a lot of hardware. Hi, this is 915 Media, and today I will show you how to make your phone productive, how you can use it as a tool and not as a toy. If you're here for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. I make useful videos about education, tech and productivity, and while you're doing this, let's begin. Okay, let's start with something easy. Deleting distracting and unused apps. Sometimes we have a lot of apps that make everything overwhelming and waste our phone space. For example, games or any app that you downloaded because you saw an ad and then forgot to delete it. This tips helps a lot because it prevents you from being distracted and overwhelmed. Additionally, all these apps usually demand a lot of attention and make you stressed out afterwards. If you hesitate and think that you will need them in the future, trust me, you don't. There's a lot of alternative websites that don't need to be downloaded and which doesn't make your phone unnecessarily complex. Alright, going to the next one, removing notifications. Sometimes we feel overwhelmed by seeing a lot of notifications on our phone, which leads us to pick it up more often than we need. In this case, we remove unwanted ones by choosing which one to disable. If you really want to use your phone as a tool, this is the way to go, because by removing these sounds and vibrations, you won't be distracted and unfocused. In case of emergency, people won't text you, they will call you. Thus, you don't need to worry about missing anything. And let's get to the next one. To-do list app. So this is one of the most essential things to make your phone productive because the to-do list organizes you and doesn't let you forget important tasks. Personally, I like using the To-Do app by Microsoft, which is absolutely free and doesn't have any annoying ads. It's easy to use, and if you have any other devices, you can seamlessly start from one and then continue on another. For you to know, Microsoft didn't pay me to tell about this, therefore I'm just sharing it to improve your productivity. So again, to-do list is one of the essential things you can do with your phone. Okay, last but not least, screen time. So this feature was introduced a couple years ago and it helps to maintain your productivity time and be aware of your phone usage. This feature allows you to see the report of hours you spend on your phone as well as how many times you pick it up. More importantly, it lets you set a limit on how long you want to use your device each day. For example, social media apps, entertainment apps, and etc. In this case, we don't fully restrict us from using it. We educate us to use those apps less. Another great feature is that it lets us choose exactly which app to restrict. To find this feature, you just go to Settings, Screen Time, and there you go. But the first time when you see it, you might be a little bit shocked of the hours you spend on your phone, so be ready for that. In conclusion, technology is what makes our life normal, and without it, we don't feel comfortable already. But sometimes we don't excel our phone's capabilities, and we're using it as an entertainment toy. I believe we should use technology as a tool to create something, be successful, and make our life easier. I like the quote that Steve Jobs said once, "Technology is nothing. What's important is that you have faith in people, that they're basically good and smart. And if you give them tools, they will do wonderful things with them."